If you are a SEO worker or you have been looking for information for your website SEO, you probably have heard the word anchor text, and you're probably familiar with it. In this video of Nitro SEO, I will describe it completely. Before going into details, I recommend that if you're new to the Nitro SEO YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. What is anchor text? Anchor text refers to words or a word that can contain a link. In fact, link the word to another site or page and another part of the site. In many sites, we have observed that the text or a word is written in different color, and by clicking on this word, we're directed to another section of the site. This is the anchor text. Anchor texts have a set of keywords that these keywords define the ability to specify a site's rank in search engines' results. Some web browsers added tools to specify links in their user interface since 1998. Most browsers display the link to the site content in blue to detect anchor text. Not all links have anchor text. Needless to say, an anchor text should display 60 characters on average. Why does anchor text matter? Using the capabilities of anchor text, you can assign the highest ranking to your site with the unique SEO of the site and link building in search engines. In order to get unique feedback from anchor text, it is better that the phrase or word that is linked is the keyword of the page. In fact, one of the essential points is to use the keyword of the page that you want in the anchor text, which in many cases is not possible. How to build an anchor text? In order to create an anchor text, first we need the URL of the site, and second, the word that introduces the referral page. Pay attention to this piece of code for more information. In this code, you will be directed to a page from a website by clicking on Creating Table with HTML, which contains the HTML table creation tutorial, which our anchor text is Table Creation with HTML phrase. Types of anchor text. General anchor text or Germanic anchor. This type of text is a simple text. You've seen phrases like click here, read more, here, and etc. These terms are commonly referred to as general anchor text, which has been common in the past, but with changes to Google's algorithm rules in recent years, the use of these links may damage your site's SEO. Brand name anchor text or branded anchors. Brand anchor text refers to all links that use the name of a brand which does not harm the SEO of the site. This text anchor is dangerous if the keyword you're targeting is the same as the brand. In fact, using this type of anchor text is the purpose of introducing the company's brand. Matching anchor text or exact match. One of the most important anchor texts is exact match, in which you only use keywords in the adaptive type in your link text. Since link text has many effects on your site ranking, if you use it too much, your site will be penalized. For example, if the text of your link is PHP programming phrase, clicking on this phrase will take you to a page that is exactly about that. Half anchor text or partial match. This model is such that your link has a keyword, but the key comes with a series of changes. For example, if we give the same example of the programming tutorial, the text Quick and Easy PHP Programmer Language Tutorial can be an example of partial match. Naked link anchor text. This anchor text is also called naked, which in this model, the link itself is used for communication. The purpose of using this anchor text in many cases is to keep the name of the site in the reader's mind. Image links anchor text. As the name implies, this model is an image type. On many sites, you have seen that they give links to the image they used, that if the image is not loaded, the image has an alternative text to display. This is an entirely natural method and does not pose a problem for the site. LSI anchor text. LSI anchor text, or in other words, synonym anchor, is a type in which we use synonym or equivalent of the keyword. This model does not use a keyword at all. It goes without saying that each keyword on a page can only be linked to another page once, and the synonym for that keyword will be used the next time. Tips for optimization of anchor text. The text or phrase of the anchor text should be related to the keyword. The closer the relationship between the anchor text and the keyword, the higher the site rank and the greater the impact on the site. In fact, a unique anchor is an anchor whose anchor text is the keyword of the page. Another point that can be mentioned for the optimization of anchors is to use different types of anchors and not just one type, and try to use all of them correctly. For internal links, be sure to use keywords and do not link to your site pages as much as possible without a keyword. Spam sites are sites that have already been penalized. Do not link to these sites in any way. If a link is given to spam sites from your site, it means that you have approved this spam site.